¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today let's talk about the verbs ser y estar. Ser and estar, they both mean to be in English, but they use in different situations in Spanish, and they both are also irregular in some tenses. In the present tense, they will look like this. Yo soy, tú eres, él o ella es, nosotros somos y ustedes son. En estar, yo estoy, tú estás, él o ella está, nosotros estamos, ustedes están y ellos o ellas están. Both verbs can be used as the main verb in a sentence. For example, soy de México, I am from Mexico, and estoy en San Diego, I am in San Diego. Both verbs can also be used as auxiliary verbs, ser in the passive voice and estar as conjugations in progressive tenses. For example, in the passive voice, you could say, El libro fue escrito por Gabriel Garcia Márquez. The book was written by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Or estar as an auxiliary verb in a progressive tense. Estoy hablando por teléfono. I am talking on the phone. In the present progressive. Gracias por vernos. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about the uses of ser and estar. And also remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any of our content. Hasta luego!